Hello, welcome back to the Evolution mortar saw stand. Yeah, I picked this up last night just as Screwfix was shutting. But we've got a lot on today, so it's going to be a very rushed video. As you can see, I can't even get in the workshop properly because we've got stuff coming for the new shed, and we're going to rain for the next 8 days, so we need to get the base done. So I'm just going to do a quick one. I haven't looked at it. I only picked it up last night. Had a bit of a result. I had a voucher come through from Screwfix, so I've got a £5 off. So instead of £49.99, I'd say 50 quid, it was 45 quid. That's handy. Something I really wanted, and as soon as we're cutting bits for shuttering and stuff, I'll get it now. So it comes with a little booklet. I can't really see a lot because the sun's on the viewfinder. It comes with a booklet, and that's your warranty card and all the rest of it. Very good warranty on their stuff. Very impressed with the saw I've got anyway. Used that quite a bit. Haven't used it for much metal work, but I have done a bit. But like I say, that'll come up on the fast hater videos. So what we've got the rails for it to for the saw to go onto. It's only going to be a very good video because I can't sort of get to it, but what we'll do is we'll put it all together once I've got it out, and then I'll show you it out, and then Louis got to cut a few bits of wood, so hopefully you can still see it alright. Yeah. Louis got a few bits to cut, so again well packed. I'll show you the details on the box a bit later in the video so that you can get all the sizes and stuff, but it's just like I say, this morning I am in a hurry. So we've got the rollers, supports there. I can hear Cootsie, I can hear him making his usual noises as he's got out of his van. All your nuts and bolts. Obviously could have done on recording. This itself, let me just pause it there and then I can get a better angle at it. Right, just thought I'd show you the box, hopefully you can see the stuff. I know some of you like to see the box. Like I say, we rushed it Sunday morning when I started unloading this. Oh, I'm doing the box I should say, but I'll show you it sort of up now. We've been using it. I'm quite impressed with it, to be honest with you. I knew it would be. Yeah, I'll put it back up and I'll show you. As you can see, this is how we had it set up. We've just cut little sort of short bits of wood, about sort of 10-12 inches long. So we put the two rollers at one end just to hold the support the wood. Obviously you had a big bit of wood you can right away through the rollers on each end. Yeah, I'm quite impressed with it. It's very sturdy, and it only takes sort of, I don't know, a minute, 30 seconds a minute to set it up again. The only problem we really had is couldn't get the wing nuts on here, so we had to use the nuts. Well, they come with the kit. The only thing, like I said, I would like the wing nuts, but at the moment I've only got the one saw, so it's fine. But it gives you a selection of bolt lengths and that, so it's not too bad. We have used it. We've sort of given it quite a bit of abuse over the last, I think it's been 2 days. I think it's 2 days ago we did, and sort of started doing the unboxing video. But because of rain and that, we've been in and out, so that's been folded, unfolded. I've left the padding on the legs for now because I'm just chucking it in the workshop, and I haven't really got a place for it, so just to protect it a bit. I think that's about it really. I mean, it's good little. It's good. Makes the saw 20 times better than what it already was, but you couldn't get much better than what it is. I'm already very happy with the saw. I don't think we found any real problems with it. Louis used it mainly, so he said it's good. Rollers are good, so it's nice, you know. Especially when you got like, I'd like to say, I don't know, we cut up several bits of wood, so he was just sort of banging them out, and yeah. So worth a look. If you buy the saw, if you've got enough money to buy the stand as well, I think it's well worth it. These just clip in to release it. You just undo these and pull it off. They were pretty much set up. You can adjust them as well. So I mean, that's pretty much set as it come out the box. You may have to adjust yours, but ours was fine. I like the way the legs clip up. They clip up, and because these are nice, the pins are nice and big. You can get your thumb on there or whatever and push them in, no hassle. No sort around. You know, sometimes you get the thin and they're cutting your thumb or whatever as you're pushing them. That was good. Yeah, well, I hope you liked that sort of, you know, liked the video of it. It's a very quick unboxing. I know we didn't get a lot of detail in, but I hope it makes sense anyway. And if you like sort of stuff, subscribe, thumbs up, share, you know, all the usual sort of stuff. And I'll see you next time. Take it easy.